In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create map animations using Canva in just 5 minutes. Whether you want to incorporate maps into your presentations, educational videos, or even for social media content, these animations can add a dynamic touch. So let's dive in and get started with this simple and effective process. First, you'll want to open Canva on your computer or mobile device. Canva is an excellent platform for both beginners and experienced creators due to its user-friendly interface and wide range of design options. If you haven't yet created an account, you can sign up for free to access a variety of tools and templates. Once you're logged in, go ahead and create a new design. Navigate to the Create a Design button on the homepage and select Video. This option will provide you with a canvas specifically optimized for video content, becoming the stage for your map animation. Now, it's time to select the visual elements for your map. Head over to the Photos or Elements tab on the left-hand sidebar. Here, you can search for terms like World Map or City Map. Canva hosts a variety of map styles ranging from detailed to minimalistic. Choose according to the aesthetic or theme you are aiming for. A flat or minimal map style is generally recommended, as it allows your added animations and elements to stand out better. With your map in place, let's add some movement to really bring your design to life. Consider incorporating various movement elements like lines, arrows, or icons that show direction or flow. These elements can help in visually conveying the movement or travel across the map, which is especially useful in educational or informative content. Once you've added your movement elements, it's time to animate them. Select the element you want to animate, then click the Animate button located at the top of your screen. Canva offers a range of animation effects such as fade, pan, and zoom, which you can experiment with to see what best fits your design. Each animation can be customized to ensure smooth transitions and a professional appearance. Don't hesitate to play around with the timing and effects until you are happy with how your elements look in motion. Finally, once you're fully satisfied with your animated map design, it's time to export your project. Click on the Share button in the top right corner of Canva and choose to download your video as an MP4 file. This format is perfect for high-quality visuals and will ensure that your map animation is ready to be shared across platforms. And there you have it. In a few quick steps, you've successfully created an engaging map animation on Canva. Thank you for watching and happy designing.